Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the contact sharing not working on iOS 17. I've tried a few things and this is what has worked for me. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have iOS 17. So you want to go ahead and make sure you and your friend go to settings, then click on general, software update, and make sure you have the latest update. Not the beta one, the actual one, the automatic one, iOS 17. You and your friend. So after that is done, you want to go to your swipe up and just type in contact, just like so, contacts. From there, you want to click on your contact, right, the Me card on top. I have it disabled. You want to click on continue. And you can choose your poster. For example, I'll choose an emoji. For example, this one, just like this. Hey, that doesn't look that good, but maybe this one. Done. Here it is. Preview poster. You want to click on continue, continue, name and photo sharing, contacts only. That's it. So that's all you need to do pretty much to have that, and you want you and your friend to have that option. A few other things that both of you can do that I found online is when I went on this article is send iMessage to get the poster. So you want to go to your friend, go to the message app, say hey. Another thing you can do is go and update. After you wait a few seconds, you should see the profile picture of the contact update automatically. If not, you should have an update option. That's another thing. You should also add in and check contact poster. This should work as well if you click edit. So this is pretty much all you can do. If none of this helps, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out. Also, if it did help you out, just slap the like button and see you next one.